Hi friends! In this video, I show you how to draw and color a creeper from Minecraft. Let's start drawing! I start with the shape of his head. Then I draw his two square eyes. And I decorate them like this. Be careful while you play Minecraft, because the creeper can explode. I draw his scary mouth and I fill it black. After, I draw his body. And finally, I draw his two legs. Very scary! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! For this drawing, I use only two shades of green. I start with light green. And finally, I use green for the details. Excellent! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!